हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है रेडियस, डायमीटर एंड सरकमफ्रेंस ऑफ अ सर्कल। पिछली वीडियो में मैंने आपको बताया था रेडियस किसे कहते हैं, डायमीटर किसे कहते हैं और सरकमफ्रेंस ऑफ अ सर्कल किसे कहते हैं। आज हम इसके फॉर्मूला सीखेंगे और इस पर सम सॉल्व करेंगे। रेडियस, इट इज़ डिनोटेड बाय स्मॉल r एंड द फॉर्मूला फॉर रेडियस इज डायमीटर अपॉन 2। मैंने आपसे कहा था कि रेडियस जो है वो डायमीटर का हाफ है। So the formula will be d upon 2, small d upon 2. The next is diameter. Diameter जो है वो twice of radius है. So 2 into r. The formula for diameter will be 2r. Then circumference, it is denoted by small c and the formula for circumference is 2 pi r, or the formula can also be pi d. If radius is given in the sum, then the formula you can use 2 pi r, and if diameter is given in the sum, then you can use the formula pi d. Here the value of pi is 22 upon 7 or 3.14, whichever is given in your sum. Now based on this we are going to solve sum. Complete the following table. The first one, radius is given, that is 7 centimeter. Diameter you have to find out, and also you have to find out circumference of a circle. So here we will write what is given to us first. So r is given to us, radius is 7 centimeter. Now you have to find out diameter. So you will take the formula for finding the diameter. The formula for diameter is 2r, that is 2 into radius, 2r. So you will write the formula first. D is equals to 2r. Now you will put the value of r. The next step you are going to put the value of r. R is 7 centimeter. So 2 into 7 centimeters. So 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. So the answer will be 14 centimeters. So now you find out the diameter. Diameter is 14 centimeter. And now we are going to find out the circumference of a circle. Now pi, the value of pi is 22 upon 7. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. The formula is 2 pi r. Formula for circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So 2 into, you will write the value of pi, that is 22 upon 7 into radius. Radius is 7. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7. Now here 7 and 7, you can cancel this. 7 ones are 7. 7 and 7 will get cancelled. So only left is 2 into 22. And 2 into 22 is 44 centimeter. So the answer for circumference is 44 centimeter. Now we will come to the second sum. Here radius you have to find out and diameter is given to you, and you have to find out the circumference. So in here also we are going to first write the given. What is given to us? Diameter is given to us. Diameter is 28 centimeter. Now we have to find out radius. So the formula for finding radius is equals to diameter upon 2, half of the diameter. So diameter is given to you, it is 28, and you will write upon 2. Now 28 divided by 2 will give you 14. See, 2 ones are 2, here 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. In the table of 2, 2 14s will come 28. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 over here, and 2 fours are 8. So the answer will come 14 centimeter. So diameter you are getting 14 centimeter. Now you have to find out the circumference of a circle. So I have done both the methods for you. The first one, if you take this formula 2 pi r, where you are going to take the radius, so the formula will be 2 pi r, 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. Radius is 14. Just now we have got the answer 14. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 14. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So what is left with us is 2 into 22 into 2. So if you multiply all this, 2 into 22 is 44 and 44 into 2 is 88. So the answer is 88 centimeter. If you use this formula, circumference is equals to pi d, then also the answer will come same. Circumference is equals to pi d. If you use this formula, then pi is equals to 22 upon 7 into d. The value for d, diameter is 28 into 28. Now here you will cancel this. 7 ones are 7 and 7 in the table of 7, 4s are 28. So what is left with you? 22 into 4. 22 multiplied by 4 is 88 centimeter. So both ways if you take the formula 2 pi r, circumference is equals to 2 pi r, then also you are getting the same answer 88 centimeter. If you take the formula pi d, then also you're getting the same answer. You can take any formula, whichever is applicable over there. If radius is given, then you can take the formula 2 pi r, and if diameter is given, then you can take the formula pi d. So I hope आपको ये आज का जो मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है रेडियस, डायमीटर एंड सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ अ सर्कल, हाउ टू फाइंड आउट, ये समझ में आ गया होगा. अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और इस पर लाइक, कमेंट और शेयर भी ज़रूर कीजिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.